how this training school helped my work in rare diseases. Telling the truth, I have learned a lot during this training school about how to code data, how to enter data, how to make this data accessible for everybody in order to elaborate them and to create more results for rare diseases. Our problem is that the more rare is a disease, the less data we have, and if we have more accessible data on those patients, we have better results and we can find a cure for those patients. So the cure is less accessible if we have less accessible data. So having these FAIR principles on registering those data make curing those patients more easy. Yes, I would like to share my knowledge I have learned here with my colleagues, and if they know the FAIR principles, everything will go easy for everybody, not only in Albania but all around with every people and every country we connect.